Maayong adlaw, Rosie here again, your speak like a local teacher. Karong adlaw atong pagahisgutan ang mahitungod sa demonstrative pronoun in Cebuano. So, today we're gonna be talking about demonstrative pronoun in Cebuano. So, we have here 4 cases: the nominative case, illative case, locative case, and illustrative case. So, nominative case refer to the noun or pronoun that appears as the subject of a verb in a particular sentence, or it can also show position near or far the object. Next is illative case, a case used to indicate movement unto or to the adjacency of something. Locative is a grammatical case where indicates a location. It corresponds to the English preposition in, on, at. Illustrative, used to illustrate something or how things are being done or giving instruction in Cebuano. Okay, magsugod ta sa nominative case. Let's begin on or in nominative case. Near the speaker, we have kani or kini or this. This is the translation of kini or kani, this. So we have the near the speaker, away from the speaker, or near the listener, away to both the speaker and the listener. So near the speaker, we have kani or kini, this. So you can also make it short, you have ni. But since it is for nominative case, it's not actually good to make it short if it is used as a nominative case. So just use kini or kani. Kini ang akong ganahan. So ganahan ko ani. You can make it short if it is at the end. But if it is in nominative case, you can say kani in the full version, kani, not the short one. This one is what I like. So ganahan ko ani or kini akong ganahan. So here I didn't use the linker because the next word is not a noun or adjective. So I just say kini ang akong ganahan. Okay? So for plural name, to make it plural, you just have to say mga. So kining mga plus name of the object. Then to make it plural, kining mga sanina akong ganahan. So kining mga sanina akong ganahan. So this kining mga klase sa sanina akong ganahan. So this style of clothes is what I like. So I like this kind of clothes style. Right? So kining mga sanina. So we have the object. So that is why I use ing or the linker ing. Okay, kining mga sapatos ganahan ako. So I like this or I like this shoes. Sunod, away from the speaker, near the listener, kana that. Kana akong ganahan. Kana ganahan ko ana. So the other way around. Ganahan ko ana. I like that. Or I like that one. Kana akong ganahan. So you're pointing the object, okay? Kanang sapatos akong paliton. So I will buy that shoes. So remember, you're pointing the object. Sunod, to make it plural, you just add mga, then the name of the object. Kanang mga libro akong kuhaon. I will get those books. Kanang mga bag-o ako. So those new ones are mine. Alright. Sunod, let's go to far away from the speaker. Kadto, kadto. So, kadto. That over there. Use linker nang to connect it to the adjective or noun. Kadtong mga pula nga sapatos akong ganahan. I like that red shoes over there. Okay? Kadtong pula nga sapatos, because this is not plural. Kadtong pula nga sapatos akong ganahan. So, sunod, kadtong sapatos akong paliton. So, I will buy that shoes over there. Okay, kadtong sapatos akong paliton. So, plural, add mga. Kadtong mga pula nga sapatos akong ganahan. Pero, pretty basic. Kadtong mga pula nga sapatos akong ganahan. So, just add mga. Alright? Okay, this is for nominative case. That's all for nominative case. Let's go to illative case. Near the speaker, away from the speaker, near the listener, away to both the speaker and the listener. Just read it through, okay? Because this one you can read it. So, here, over here, nganhi, over here. So, this picture, it shows you how it's gonna work. The mother is in the kitchen and the daughter is in the it's away. She's somewhere in the dining area. So she's calling her, or she called her to bring or to take something in the kitchen. She said, kuha nga ri ang sudan, dal-a nganha sa lamisa. So, in English, take the dish over here to the table over there. So, kuha nga ri, over here. Kuha nga ri. Kuha is like, take this, take, or, yeah, take this, or take. Kuha. Then this one, the next example is dal-a pod nga re ang dako nga plato palihog. So bring, dal-a, bring. Bring the big dako, big plate, plato here to two. Like you have the pod, right? So that is two, or also pod. Bring the big plate here to, please. Or you can say, bring the big plate here also, palihog, please. Okay, so I just do it like this for you to be able to figure it out, or to see it in your mind. How does it work? So nganha over there. So she answered, "O ma, akong kuhaon nganha para ibutang ngari." So basically the opposite. Yes ma, I will get it over there to bring it over here. So, o ma, kuhaon ako nganha para ibutang ngari sa lamisa. So, very polite kid, okay? Yes ma, o ma. Next, o, yes, ako pod dalon nganha ang dako nga plato. Yes ma, I will bring the big plate also over there. Or you can say, yes ma, I will bring the big plate over there also. So also like pod in Cebuano. Okay, so ako that means my, right? Possessive pronoun. Okay, let's move on to away to both the speaker and the listener. Ngadto, over there. Kuha ngadto sa kwarto akong auntie para palihog. Please take my glasses in my room. Or kuha, yeah, take, or take or get. Please get my glasses in my room. So the speaker and the listener are both away from the room where the object is located. Maybe they are in the kitchen or they are both in the living room. So she's asking her daughter to take for her her glasses which is located in the room. So adto sa luyo sa balay pagkuha og tanglad. So right, so this is an order. Go behind the house, take some lemongrass. Tanglad is lemongrass. So adto go over or go outside. Go there, over there at the behind the house. Maybe they have garden in there. Adto sa luyo sa balay pagkuha og tanglad. Luyo is behind, okay? Behind or behind. Okay, so that's all for Illative Case. Let's move on to Illustrative. This is quite confusing. Illustrative Case. Near the speaker, away from the speaker, near the listener, away to both the speaker and the listener. So we have here the ing ani, kani, ani, something like this. So ing ani, kani, ani. So, showing how to do things or giving instruction. Ask someone to choose something. Asa ani imong gusto. Which one you want? So, ani. Asa ani. Which one you want? Okay, the question for this is, giunsa nimo pagluto ang adobo? How did you cook that adobo? So, because showing how to do the things or giving instruction, right? So, that's why I give you the sample question. So because she is or he is asking how did she cook the adobo, so she said ing ani pagluto ang adobo. This is how you cook adobo. So that's how it works. Ing ani. So this one asking about something, asking someone to choose. Kani ganahan ka? This one, do you like it? Kani ganahan ka? So this is almost like the nominative case. Kani kini. Kani ganahan ka? This one, do you like it? Gusto ko ani. So I like this one. Ing ani akong gusto. I like something like this. So ing ani akong gusto. I like something like this. Okay? So I hope you are going to learn, even if you just have to listen to my voice and then try to copy how I say it. Then maybe in the future you can communicate with someone like, how do you like it? So you say, ing ani akong gusto. Ing ani. Oh, gusto ko ani. So away from the speaker, near the listener, ing ana. Ana, something like that. So, showing the object in your hand which is away from the first person. Oh, ana. Oh, ana, di ay na. Oh, I see. So that's how to do it. So because over there in the near the speaker, she said, ing ani pagluto ang adobo. So this is how you cook adobo. So she reacted on that question, on that illustration there. So she basically say, oh, ana di ay na. So, oh, I see. So that's how you do it. That is why she said ana, because the object is near the speaker, away from the listener. Okay, ana di ay na. I see. Ana di ay na. So, okay. See, then over here, she said, magluto pod ko ana. So, I will also cook like that. Magluto pod ko ana. Okay, I will also cook like that. So, away from the listener. Ganan ko og ing ana pagluto. I like something like that. So, ganan ko og ing ana pagluto. I like the way you cook it. I like your cooking or the way you cook it. So, ganan ko og ing ana pagluto. So, let's go to both away from the speaker and the listener. So, ing adto. kadto. This one is like the object is not existing anymore. The object you're talking about is not existing anymore. Previously seen the object but doesn't exist anymore. You say kadto. Kadto bang gahapon? Wala na karon. So you say ayaw na lang kay wala naman di ay tung gahapon. Ganahan ko og kadtong gahapon nga akong gipalit. So I like to have the same thing I bought yesterday. So, the object is no longer there. So, ganahan ko adtong or ganahan ko og kadtong gahapon nga akong gipalit. I like to have the same thing I bought yesterday. Kadtong. So, she couldn't see the object already she want. Kadtong gahapon. So, magluto ko og ing adtong adobo nimo karon. So, magluto ko og ing adtong adobo nimo karon. So, the adobo was the adobo is no longer existed, right? Because they already eat it. So, she said, I will cook the same adobo now. I will cook adobo just like you had last time. So, ing adtong adobo, ing adto or kadtong adobo nga giluto nimo gahapon, magluto ko og otro. I will cook it again. Okay? Oh, kadto kay lami kaayo. Oh, that one, that was tasty. Oh, kadto. Yeah, so this one also you can use this when you are you are talking about a person that is not it's not in there, out of your sight. You say kadtong lalaki ba, the boy I saw last time, kadtong lalaki nga akong nakita sa una or before. So the person is no longer there. Maybe you meet him once or you meet her once, then you remember it. So you say kadto ba, kadtong ingon nimo gahapon, that one what you said yesterday, kadto. So something like it's no longer available. Kadtong gahapon. Okay? So moving on to locative case. So we also have near the speaker, far from the speaker, and the location is near the listener. Then we have the location is both away from the speaker and the listener. So if the location is near the speaker, we say diri, diari, dinhi. So naay tulo ka variation ang here sa Cebuano. Sa English, here. Sa Cebuano, diri, diari, dinhi. So when talking about the place which is near the speaker. Just like when you say, kumusta ka diha? So, meaning the speaker is talking about your situation in the other place. Okay? So, our example here, anhi diri sa balay kung wala kay kauban diha. See? Come here in our house if you are alone there. So, here and there, basically. Okay? There is away from the speaker. Okay. So, another example, sunod nga example, dala diari akong sapatos nga tua sa gawas. So, bring my shoes here, it's outside. Or bring my shoes here, which is outside. So, my translation is I just sometimes it's not exactly the way it is in English because I try to translate it word for word. Okay, so sometimes you find it maybe wrong grammar, but I just translate the word. So I have another question. I have a question here. Gaunsa mo diri? So what are you all doing here? So mo, remember our personal pronoun, gaunsa mo diri. So what are you all doing here? Okay? Gaunsa. So present situation. You're asking about the present situation. What are they doing in the present situation? Right now. Gaunsa. If you see my video about the different way of asking question using what or unsa, then you will know what I mean about this. So move on to from this far from the speaker, and the location is near the listener. So we have diha or dira, dinha, there. So atong example nga sentence, our example sentence, kumusta kamo diha sa Amerika? So how's everybody in the USA? So kamo, something like everybody as well. So kumusta ang panahon diha karon? How's the weather over there? Right now. Karon. Now. Panahon. Weather. Gaunsa mo diha? So what are you all doing there? So you say, what is everybody doing there? In English. Gaunsa mo diha? Okay, so it means the speaker is talking from a distance. Maybe you're on the phone. Okay. Next, the location is both away from the speaker and the listener. So we say, oh, in there, that, over there. In English, in Cebuano, we say didto, didto, didto. Okay. Oh, in there, that, over there. We say didto. So, adto kita didto sa baybay unya. So, let's go to the beach later. Unya, later. Asa ka mo adto? Where are you going? So, you say, muadto ko didto sa balay ni Lula. Where are you going? Asa ka muadto? Muadto ko sa balay ni Lula. Maybe grandma's house is both away from the speaker and the listener. So, they say, muadto ko didto sa balay ni Lula. Okay. Asa iyang balay? So, where's her house? Where's her house? Where's grandma's house? So, because I just translate the asa iyang balay. So, where is her house? So, imong tubag, iyang balay didto sa bukid. Or, her house is in the village. Or, iyang balay kay, you can also say, tua sa bukid. Layo, tua, ad tua sa bukid. Or, didto. I focus on the didto only for you to just learn the common one. Didto sa bukid. Okay? So, I think that's all for this lesson, and I will see you again on the next one. Babay og amping kanunay. Padayon lang ta perme magtuon og Bisaya para makabaluta. So let's continue learning Cebuano, then we will get there in the end.